Welcome to FinXo Capital Daily News, your go-to source for the latest financial market updates. Let's dive into today's market headlines. And in stock market news, Wall Street closed higher yesterday. This follows new inflation data, increasing expectations for a 25 basis point rate cut by the Federal Reserve. Despite this, Moderna led the losses in the S&P 500 with a weak revenue forecast, dropping 12.4%. Meanwhile, the Dow rose by 0.58%, the S&P 500 climbed 0.75%, and the Nasdaq gained 1%. Small caps, like the Russell 2000, outperformed with a 1.2% rise. And in Forex news, the dollar slumped to its lowest level this year against the yen, down 0.81%, as traders boosted bets for a 50 basis point Fed rate cut. This was further supported by hawkish comments from the Bank of Japan. Meanwhile, the euro rose slightly to $1.1083 after ECB President Lagarde pushed back on expectations for another rate cut in October. In emerging markets, investors are on edge due to the tight US presidential election race. Fears of higher tariffs under a potential Trump return are weighing heavily on these markets, especially with China still facing economic struggles. India, however, stands out as a bright spot in the EM space, thanks to favorable demographics and growth potential. And over to commodities, gold surged to a new record high of $2,570.03, buoyed by the weaker dollar. In oil, prices rose for the third straight day as Hurricane Francine caused significant output disruptions in the U.S. Gulf of Mexico. Brent crude is now up 0.5%, while WTI gained 0.6%, ending a streak of weekly declines. As we wrap up today's FinXo Capital Daily News, remember, whether it's the stock market's subtle shifts, the Forex market's currency dramas, or the broader economic indicators, staying informed is key to navigating the financial waters. Join us tomorrow for more updates and insights. Until then, keep a close eye on those markets.